Happy New Year, guys. It is New Year's Eve today, so I am just taking out the decorations from outside, but I'm gonna leave the one inside. That's why it looks like a really mess here. So yeah, give you some motivation to clean. But this is what we had outside. We had this here, making Minnie Mouse, and then we had the little elf, but I already took those things down. I figure I will come here and share with you guys my cleaning up on New Year's Eve. It's been, I want to say that this year has been really, I don't know, it just went by so fast. It's not even funny. Okay, how do I, okay. And then we had those little Christmas trees on. And these here, I don't know if I took a picture. I was kind of like distracted. Usually I'll do a video of us decorating the tree and stuff, but this year it's just been a lot. Neveah did have the cancer, had the surgery, so I was preoccupied with that. And then she did have another bump come out, and it did turn out to be another mast cell tumor. So she does have to need another surgery. It's kind of stressful because I don't know, maybe it's from the environment of where I moved. I've been here around 3 years in this neighborhood, and I always see them doing, what is that called? I always see them using, like, what is that when they fertilizer on the ground here? It always, so I'm gonna have to, it's just, I want to say the environment is what, I don't know for sure, but the environment is probably what can give them the cancer. But you know, she just had the surgery, and 3 weeks later another one popped up. I don't know. If anybody of you want to help, I know everybody's having a hard time, but I'll leave a GoFund down below if anybody wants to help. A little is let her not get the surgery. This is what we had out here. I have this. And then I already bring everything else up. I might just leave the lights up for now. Oh, good thing she doesn't just dash out anymore. Before, when we first moved into our own place, she just ran out the door. But good job, Neveah. So the lights are on now. I didn't even show you guys the lights at night, but I will later. So I believe these can just go in each other. Oh, okay. I found this little thing I have to take in the house. Okay. Okay. That will go on later. Okay. I tried to make my hair dark, but I used the semi-permanent one just for the day. I don't know if every time when I dye my hair, it's like I want it to go dark again. I cannot never make up my mind. I think that's a way of, that's the therapy that I do. You know, a lot of people have different ways of therapy. They may do piercings, tattoos. I think I'm always messing with my hair. That's the one. Alrighty, guys. Some water. I did clean house yesterday. Oh. I cleaned my kitchen. So that's good. Okay. Where's the box for this? This, guys. Oh, I found it. So I did find the box. Sorry, I'm not doing like a sit-down video. I just wanted to talk story about my life update. And just wanted to get on here. This is my last video of the year, gang. Last video, or maybe that'll be another one. I'll do, you know, New Year's at 12 o'clock or whatever. But this is my last video of 2023 talking story, just giving you guys a life update. Yeah, so I know that I should be on here more. Like every time I always say this stuff, but it never happens, right? Because life happens. Let's see, I don't even know how to put this. Oh, there. This is a new addition to our Christmas family. Okay, do I have to take out this? Okay. I don't know. I don't want to break it. Oh, let's see. I didn't put it together. Kiana did, so. Because I know this won't. Oh, there. That was easy. I didn't break it either. Usually I always break stuff because I guess I'm too aggressive, Kiana wants to say. But it's not that I'm aggressive, it's just that's how it is for me. I'm trying to be more gentle on my things and everything. One time at work, I work at a dental office, so one time I put out the water syringe tube and then we had to get it fixed, but that was an accident. Just because I'm like very, you know, I learn now to be more gentle on things. I'm trying my best, gang. There's no judging. Okay. If you guys want to help me out with, you know, for the gold fund, please do so. But if you can't, then that's fine too. Maybe you can just kind of like watch my videos, share my videos, because I know everybody is having a hard time. What's going on with that? Okay, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Okay, what's up? What's up with that? Ugh. Oh, there's nothing down here. Or is there? I don't think this mattered. But I am sweating already. You know, since Neveah had this cancer, for each biopsy that she has, it's at least $250 to $300 for the biopsy. And then the last surgery she had, it was a little over $2,000. I gotta find what the price was, but I want to say almost $3,000. She's right there. Come on, sister. Come here. Okay, I'll just share with you guys. So, this is her last surgery. It was almost 4 to 5 inches of her scar, and this is her second, right here is her second mast cell tumor right there. She's only 8 years old. She'll be 9 in February, so she does have a really good chance in having a full life. So that one there is a little bit smaller because we just, like, it's maybe 3 weeks old, or I'm not too sure how cancer works, but it's fairly new. The other one was longer and bigger. It was, you know, like, it was longer and bigger. I don't know why this box does not want to close, but we're gonna make this one close. Okay, I feel like this should come out, right? Oh. Okay, so no, never mind. I'm not gonna take that out. Just in case it's not supposed to come out. Should I just ask Cano? No, I don't want to break it. This is hard if you never ever did take it out or put it together. You don't know what. I feel like that should come out. If I break it, I'm gonna have to buy him a new one. Let me call him. Oh, goodness. All right, guys, I did not break it. You just pull it out. I think I called him, right? Because I was like, I didn't want to break it. Hopefully it can close better. Why is it so difficult? Why? Okay. Yeah. That is another one. But yeah, so right now, Neveah, she is on Benadryl. The regular Benadryl that we have is 25 milligrams twice a day. So every 12 hours, I've been giving her the Benadryl. Yeah, it kind of sucks for her because when she had her surgery, she would be crying to everybody. Like, I guess want to tell her story of what happened to her. And then now she has to go and get another one. I hope it's not gonna be that long because it's a small one yet. So hopefully just 2 inches. And please keep her in your prayers if you guys pray, or if whatever you guys do, maybe give good vibes. I had her since she was a baby. I had her mom, Honey Girl, and then Honey Girl gave birth to 3. I gave the boy away and I had the 2 girls. The other girl died. Honey Girl died, and then now I only have Neveah left. Back then, I didn't have, you know, the sense or the money to take him to the hospital. But today I'm in a better place. I can, she has, like, I've been keeping up with all her health, medical shots, doctor visits. I've been keeping up with her. So how did she get the cancer? You know, I just want to say that maybe it's the environment here, the grass always having, it always has like the fertilizer on, you know. So I was reading that it's environment, hereditary, you know, or just something that in her family, but I think it's my surroundings, my area. And then we do have a soccer field here. I wonder if they put that on the grass there too, because the kids play on it, right? So I don't know how this slipped. I don't know how, because I take her every time to her doctor visits. You guys see my videos, and I don't know how this kind of like, I guess when you have a cancer, you have to do a biopsy. That's the only way to find it. But guys, this is my baby here. You guys should know. But if you guys want to help, share my videos. I would really appreciate that. I'm still waiting to talk to the doctor on what the next step is and when we can schedule the surgery. So I just wanted to try and get some, you know, make sure I have enough money for it. Like I said, everybody's having a hard time, but if you can, a little goes a long way. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna finish up here cleaning, and then we just want to say Happy New Year. We'll probably see you guys again tonight. Alrighty guys, take care. God bless. We love you guys.